Hey friends, welcome back to Robyn and Creative. If you love planners, stickers, and all things pretty and functional, you're gonna love today's video. Today, I'm gonna be unboxing my custom Happy Planner, which was designed just the way I wanted it. Plus, I'll be giving away a custom planner to one lucky viewer, so stick around to the end to find out how you can win it. Okay, first impressions. Look at this packaging. I give the presentation an A+. Not only does it look beautiful, but it also functions as planner supply storage. Let's open it up. This is my custom cover and matching back. It's in the Wildflower Wander design. And I absolutely love how vibrant the colors are and how sturdy they feel. Oh, I just love the foil accents on this box and along the edge where the rings attach. Also included in this package are 12 monthly tab dividers made of heavyweight cardstock and adorned with reinforced tabs to prevent bending and smudging. Each has a different design and they coordinate perfectly with each other as well as the matching cover. There are 8 different layout options to choose from when customizing your planner, including parenting, dashboard, vertical, horizontal, checklist, productivity, hourly, and monthly. I chose the checklist because I like the way that one has worked for me in the past. So we're just going to pop open our medium disc set and lay them down. Grab this other one and set the packaging aside. And then we're just going to add them into our disc guide like so. And you have 2 extras in case you ever upgrade and go to a larger planner. And I'm just going to press these down into the disc guide so that when you tip it upside down, they don't fall out. So the first thing you're going to add is your cover. And we're just going to snap it into the rings. I just put one finger on each side of the ring and help snap the plastic over the edge. Next, you're going to add your planner layout, and this will take a little bit longer because you have to do it in smaller groupings. We're just going to snap those in, same way we did the cover. It's going to take a little bit longer. Right, and this is the last stack I'm going to add, which is all the way up through July. So I have the first 6 months attached. And then I'm going to start attaching the last 6 months of the year with the back using December 1st. And I'm going to attach from the other side. At this point, I'm going to flip it over and remove the disc guide and set it aside. because now the book is stable enough that I can manage it without worrying about pages flopping all over the place. And the next thing I'm going to add are my monthly dividers. So I'm going to find my January and pop in my January. Then I will flip and find the beginning of February, which is cleverly marked for you right there. We'll drop February right there. And I'll fast forward through this so that you can see each of the monthly dividers. Ooh, look at how pretty that one is. Butterflies. And again, that gold foil accent is just very beautiful. Some of them have it, some of them don't. Like this June one is full of flowers and butterflies and perfectly matches the cover and the back without all of the foiling. Oh, looky there. We have a friendly reminder that it's time to start planning your next purchase. Then we have October. November. And finally, December. The last thing we need to do is add the back cover. And it is getting a little bit thick. But I really don't plan on adding a whole lot more. If you were going to add any extensions, notebook paper of any kind, such as this, you would definitely need larger rings. There are 3 different sizes of rings. This is considered a mini. This is the size that came with our custom planner, which is our medium. And this is what is called the expander ring. If you add any additional packs to your custom planner, I'm going to recommend that you get this one. So I love the high quality paper. It's not thin like printer paper. I did one year choose to print out all my own undated and date them myself. I did not like that. Not only were the pages flimsy, but the tabs that I added to the side were not coated, and anytime they got wet, the writing on them blurred. It's definitely an easy assemble binding, which allows the option to mix and match with multiple colors. You could choose to take this disc out and alternate your discs every other color, and I'll try and put a picture up here of what that would look like. The monthly tabs allow for easy navigation. And this planner just allows for so much creativity, whether it's along the top, the bottom edge, or the sides. There's just so much space. Now, something I did not expect was at the very end, it doesn't end with December. It has an additional 2 months worth of calendar that are undated. I would really love for Happy Planner to put out just a refill pack just like this. So if they're listening, please, please, please put out a pack just like this where we can date it ourselves and just add to the creativity of our planner. But thank you so very much for including these in the custom planner. I genuinely did not expect that. So I'm giving you a big heart happy planner for including these pages in my custom planner. I do not recall ever having anything like that in any of the other planners that I have purchased from retail stores. So this was a lovely bonus. This is honestly one of my favorite things about Happy Planner. You are not stuck with a one-size-fits-all planner. What I love most is that this planner works for content creators, busy moms, small business owners, anyone who loves staying organized and creative. And let's be real, planning is way more fun when your planner reflects your style. Now let's talk about the fun part, the giveaway. When I received my custom planner in the mail, inadvertently, Happy Planner had sent an additional box. So when I reached out for instructions on how to return it to them, they graciously agreed to let me give it away as part of this unboxing video. So I'm giving away one Neutral Dreams Classic Size Happy Planner with the 12-month checklist layout and the tortoiseshell discs to a lucky viewer. Here's how you can enter. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment below and tell me, what would you use your Happy Planner for? Planning, budgeting, journaling, content creation, etc. There really is no wrong answer. And for a bonus entry, share this video and come back to tell me that you shared it. I'll be choosing one winner at random from the comments and announcing it in an upcoming video. So make sure notifications are turned on. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Subscribe for more planner fun, crafty hauls, Hobby Lobby clearance alerts, and creative inspiration. And I'll see you in the next video. Now go create what's possible.